In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Metatrader 5 in laptop. By the end, you'll have Metatrader 5 installed, opened, and ready to connect to a trading account or a free demo, all in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Metatrader 5 website. Always use the official source so you know the installer is genuine and up to date. You'll see information about the platform, which is free and designed for analyzing markets and trading instruments like Forex and stocks. Look for the download section specifically for desktop. Next, download the installer. If you're on Windows, click the option for Windows. If you're using a Mac laptop, choose the Mac option. On Windows, the file name you'll typically see is mt5setup.exe, and it should save to your downloads folder by default. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a location you'll remember. Give it a moment to finish downloading before moving on. Now, install Metatrader 5. Open your Downloads folder, locate the installer file, and double-click it. When the setup window appears, click Next and review and accept the license agreement. The default settings work well for most users, so you can continue with them unless you have a specific reason to change the installation path. If your system asks for permission, approve it so the installer can proceed. The process is quick, and once it completes, you'll be ready to launch the platform. After installation, open Metatrader 5 from your desktop or Start menu. On first launch, you'll be prompted to log in. Use the credentials provided by your broker and make sure you select the correct server associated with your account so the platform can connect successfully. If you don't have a trading account yet, that's fine. Create a demo account directly inside Metatrader 5 to practice in a risk-free environment and explore the platform's tools before going live. Before you begin, it's helpful to know the typical system requirements. Metatrader 5 runs on Windows 7, 10, or 11, needs about 256 megabytes of RAM at minimum, and roughly 50 megabytes of storage space. A stable internet connection is also important for smooth data updates and order execution. If you're close to those minimums, closing other programs while installing and running MT5 can improve performance. One final tip. Many brokers provide their own Metatrader 5 download link. Installing through a broker's link can automatically add the correct trading server to your platform, which makes logging in and connecting much simpler. That's it. Download, install, open, and connect. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready to start exploring Metatrader 5 on your laptop or PC.